I know them shits are mad calming now. Like, them shits is mad calming now. But a Suburban, those shits is tough, bro. I don't know, bro. I need me one. I need me one. Either that or Cadillac. A Cadillac Suburban or a Chevrolet Suburban. I don't care. I'm gonna show you. Just now type shit, cause I'm just gonna rush, cause this breaks. See how it's dirty and shit. I watch this after shit. I'm OD, man. Watch this. Hopefully, I'm praying this shit don't fall, but yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all this one. I'm finished. I got a little setup here. Look, I got this shit. So I smashed my car. Some bags that Stop and Shop gifted me and shit. Thank God, bro. Thank God. That shit came with 3. So I'm gonna use like 1.5 for each one. So I'm gonna use 1.5 for each one. I mean, I got 4, so I don't know. I'm gonna see. But yeah, I'm gonna fast forward this a little bit. I'm gonna just show y'all when this is done. But yeah, I don't even know why I put that shit under, but this how it look on now, man. I'll show y'all my dad. But my dad, he's one of them Dominicans. He be mad for no reason, bro. He be mad for no reason. He something's wrong with him and he tried to blame me for what the fuck, whatever's wrong with him. So yeah, man. Don Modesto. Hablamos ahora.
Fernando, por favor, ande despacio por ahí y cuídese y no coma comida del suelo.
¿Cómo así no como comida del suelo?
Ah, bien.
¿Eh?
Que vaya bien por ahí.
¿Cómo así que no como comida del suelo?
Acuérdate que mañana tú vas a trabajar mañana, ¿verdad que sí?
Pero dime, está bien, pero...
Ya vete mi ya. Gracias. Pues bien. Aquí.
Yo estoy escuchando eso. Y'all escucharon eso. Oye, mi dad be mad for no reason. Él se encojona de lo que le pasa a él y me quiere echar la culpa a mí, tú sabes. But yeah, man, we out of here. Can't get.
I grew up on a bridge, grew up in a mix. Feeling uncomfortable still. I can't even talk to my friends about how it's been.
Let's go, nigga. Nails done went to Stop and Shop, nigga. No funny shit I have to get used to. Something I do have to get used to is bringing the camera around everywhere. Eso que yo tengo que mejorarme, tú sabes. Porque yo de verdad, for real, I don't really, tú sabes, yo no salgo like that. I don't be going out like that. So cuando yo salgo, I don't got the camera on me, or no la tengo, o siempre pasa algo, ustedes saben. So I'm gonna start having it on me a little bit more. I don't know if I'm in the right side or not about this. They invited me to a dinner. Yeah, someone invited me to a dinner. It was last night, right? La vaina con este dinner, ella me dijo y yo le dije que sí. And I was gonna go. Pero después del primero o segundo día, after the first or second day of talking about it, it's like I never heard anything about the party again. And me, it's not my party, so I feel like I didn't have to tell you, like, to tell me about the party. You know, you already invited me, so I'm already expecting an not invitation, but details about the party. I never got them details. I never got a call about it. I was supposed to go with someone. I never, I mean, I don't blame them, but at the end of the day, it's like, I don't think it's my fault. I don't think it's my fault, nigga. Because if you invited me, you supposed to check up with me. That's how it. So, hey, yo, I don't know. Y'all let me know if I'm bugging or not, but. Yo, she's crazy.
Why you eat it like this? Cause it's mine, damn mine. Any more questions? I don't. Do you want it or not? No, I don't want it. Oh my gosh. could have went there. All them sandwiches them folks got in there. You could have went there and got yours. Man.
Oh my gosh, bro.
You ain't got to eat. You ain't got to worry about it. I don't give a damn. You never eat it.
This is gonna give a damn.
That one was funny. That one was funny. That one. You should say that one is funny.
That's fucked up, bro. Yo, that is so fucked up, bro.
Why did you stop?
Yo, nah, that's... The baby said, what the fuck you... See what I said, Z, nigga. The baby ran.
Where you going?
The baby ran. The fucking ran, nigga. Look at this. Yo. Look at this. I'm crying. He's crying now. I'm gonna piss on the chicken.
What the fuck is he doing up here, man?
Man,
Okay, this is my friend. This my best friend. Man, what the fuck is he doing up here, man? He not doing nothing. He ain't doing nothing but eat a couple of pieces of chicken. Okay, what the fuck is he eating on? Shit, stop. Shit, I'm moving like a person. I said, stop. You know what? Shit, stop.
Oh, God.
What's up, twins?
Awesome crazy ass videos.
Y'all see the Jeffrey Dahmer movie?
Get that shit on my Facebook.
Asian version. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Nah, 6 is OD though, no funny shit.
Asians boy. You fucking do that to Asians. They're all crazy on you. Oh, shit. Don't play with the eggs. You take 2, nigga. That's the most. Then you take a 3rd, nigga. It's a wrap. What's with him?
They get around the table. Oh my God. In the name of Jesus. God be blessed. Everyone be blessed. Everyone be blessed.
Oh, shit.
Nah.
For the food.
Nigga said in the name of Jesus 3 times.
That nigga was crying, bro.
Stop saying it, nigga.
Oh, shit.
Bro, he wanna cherish the moment when he eats that first bite, nigga, bro. He wanna make sure she's hear this shit.
He wanna make me sorry. Listen, in the name, in the name, there'll be no wishful.
Nah, oh my fucking God.
You said, bless everyone that gets through. That shit made me cry. Oh, shit.
Ustedes saben que lo que es, señores. You already know what's up, man. Doing some DoorDash, man. Doing some DoorDash. Ah, man. DR trip coming soon, man. 4,000 coming on the way. Ya ahora no son. ¿Ustedes quieren saber una vaina? Oh, déjame hacer en español. Está haciendo $100 aquí, muchachos. Estoy jodido. Tú sabes cómo es que hay un trip viniendo. Le digo una. I'm gonna tell y'all something. Bro. I'm going to DR in 4 days. Nah, 5 days. And my dad does not know yet. El papá mío todavía no sabe que es para Santo Domingo. ¿Cómo ustedes creen que yo le tengo que decir? Y'all don't even know how to tell him now, cause 5 days away is kind of crazy. But I mean, I don't really have to. Yo no le tengo que decir nada porque yo me gobierno ya, coño, yeah, you know. That's the benefit. That's the beneficial thing of being an adult, man. I can do whatever the fuck I want. Alright, man. I'm gonna beat this little kid in Mortal Kombat.
No, and it's called Mortal Kombat.
No, I corrected you. Okay, so where are you gonna put the camera?
Anyways, I'm gonna beat this little kid. I never played this game before, so we gonna see what's up, man. The fact, I don't even care. I got you. I'll do my
Press
thing.
the X. Press X.
I'll do my thing. Don't worry about it.
You
Yo, why it keeps going to a left? What's wrong with this?
I don't know.
What y'all do to
Just
this
pick
shit?
your character. It doesn't matter.
What you mean? You got a good one and I got a bad one? You're bugging. Oh. Alright, watch this. Hold on.
Hold on, what?
Hold on.
Now you're a scaredy cat?
Hold on. Alright, bet.
Get out of here and fight me.
Hold on. How you go faster though? I need to learn. I don't know how to play this shit.
Hey, no cussing at the viewers.
Nigga, fuck these viewers. I'm just playing.
Now you have to do your fatal blow. Press L2 and R2.
Oh.
See? You're about to kill him.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Bitch! Yo, you see all that blood on the...
What's up, man? We're back with doing orders. Man. Yeah, man. Going on a trip soon. Need some money, man. Extra money, man. More money, the more money, the better when you go to DR, man. That's all I'm gonna say, man. Cause niggas be going crazy out there. So you know, the more money, the better time you will have, man. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. Yeah, man, how's y'all day going? I think this is definitely, I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. Actually, this might be part 2. This might be another vlog type shit. Yeah, this might be another vlog. Oh, shit. But yeah, man, how y'all, ooh.